All right, beautiful babes. Now, y'all may have seen a previous video of mine where I am trying to get our home more like a smart home. So, we invested in, I can't say invested because this thing is not that expensive. It's around 30 bucks. This is Alexa. Good morning, Alexa.
Good morning. Construction of the Washington Monument was completed.
Alexa, stop. Alexa is what they call an Echo Dot. It's a smart speaker, and you can plug it up to your sound system. It can talk. It can turn off and on things in the house. It can do a whole lot of things that I'm yet getting ready to get skilled in. So today I'm actually installing some lights that are great for starting this smart home journey, okay? So what I have right here is the Nooie Aurora Smart LED multicolor bulbs. It comes in a pack of 4. These are not cheap, y'all, but they are compared, I think, to the Philips lumens lights. They are controlled by your Nooie app. And Alexa can definitely work in helping to make this whole thing go perfect. What is required is you need 2.4G Wi-Fi. It's app controlled, and you can schedule and use a timer for these. They're also voice controlled. They're energy saving. They have 16 vibrant colors. No, sorry, 16 million vibrant colors. Easily dimmable, and you get certain different types of light recipes. So I'm just going to show you how I set it up and pretty much try to go through the process. I may not be able to complete it all in this video because, again, I'm not real tech savvy, but I'm going to try. So let me just go ahead and set them up in each little area of the house that I want them. Definitely over there by the guinea pigs, because they are always in the same spot, and when we are out and about, I like to be able to kind of control the lights. So hopefully that'll work for that. Maddie did take one for her room. I already have one here in the beauty room that I'm working with. So these two I'm just going to install in the lamps next to the guinea pig's cage and in the family room for right now. So this is what it looks like. It's very heavy. Now this thing weighs, I don't know, it's got some weight to it. They're very heavy, but this is what it looks like. And again, it's just controlled by the sensors of your voice once you get it all set up. So I'm just going to put it in the lamp over here in the family room right now. And I'll put the other one, I think I will, I'm not sure. I might put it in the living room so we can control it there. So let me just go ahead and put this one up here. They're so heavy, I may need both hands. But if it's not controlled by the smart app, it can simply just turn on and on just like any other light. Light off. See, it doesn't work right now, but that is how that works. So let's go to the living room, and I think I'll put it in the light beside my little sitting area there. I am going to put it in this light. I usually sit over in this corner here, so I'll put it over here. And oh my goodness, this light is already on, so I may need to get a towel to even unscrew the bulb. Give me a sec. All right, I got the bulb in to the lamp, and I'm just going to turn it on for now, and we'll get it all set up. And once we do, I'll let y'all know what the deal is, okay? That one is pretty bright, so that's why you have the controls in place to kind of help it, dim it, and all of that. So that is that. I'm just going to use these other light bulbs for other lamps in the house. So if it works out perfectly, then I'm going to convert all of the lights, and that way we can just say whatever we want, turn it off, turn it on. So that is that. But let me finish up showing y'all some of the controls to the actual app and all of that. So it does come with little instructions on how to, and the warnings and different things like so. And I've already started kind of setting it up, so let me just show you that portion of the video while I talk about the actual product itself. Talk about the actual product itself. So they say really setting up a smart home, even for beginners, is not that hard. Basically, you just build out a smart home by, you know, purchasing the components that's needed, like the sensors, smart bulbs, which we started that, security cameras, speakers, which we have the smart speaker, that's what the Echo Dot is, and different little gadgets to create the smart home setup. And the one thing, as I told y'all, that I do plan on doing once I really map out exactly where we're going with this whole smart home thing, is probably, instead of using, you know, my Wi-Fi from my phone, which I have the maximum that you can get pretty much because I use a lot of internet all the time. The one thing I may get is, of course, well, I really have to get it because when I'm not at home, then there's no hotspot Wi-Fi because we take it with us. So I'm planning to go ahead and check out some internet services so that everything will work consistently and all, you know, perfectly. So I am going to check out here right now and tell you just a little bit more about the particular light bulbs we have. And I did I actually mentioned with y'all, or talk to y'all about, you know, the Alexa, the whole setup with her and all of that. So I hate to call her name because she will start talking. If you call her name, she will start talking. So basically, getting through this process is pretty simple. Again, you have to have Wi-Fi, which is most important. And when you get everything connected to a hub that helps everything communicate with each other, and you basically just need your smartphone. That is it. So what I have here on my actual phone is I have the Nooie app. Of course, I have Alexa right here. So this is her little app that I can control that. But I also have the Nooie app here, which is right here. When you click on that, you know, it just brings up, you know, the everything that you need. I'll have to sign back in as well because I did go ahead and create everything that I needed, but I will do that in just a little while. But just going over what I currently have, what I currently have, which of course the smartphone is here. I did purchase the Echo Dot, the 3rd generation smart speaker with Alexa. Mine is charcoal, and again, you get this from Amazon, and it just simply is a smart speaker. It has a cool, you know, very modern look to it with the fabric design. This particular speaker is, of course, voice controlled, and you can stream songs from Amazon, Apple Music, Spotify, Sirius, all of that great stuff. It can answer questions for you. It'll read the news. It'll check the weather, set alarms, control with other home devices, etc., etc. I mean, you're talking about this little thing here, once it's programmed properly, can turn on your lights, adjust your thermostats, lock doors, and even more with other compatible connected devices. I have truly been amazed by this little thing, and I don't even have it fully operating right now. If you have others that are connected with the device, or you've set it up, it can actually call people hands-free. And if you have, let's say you have kids, little kids, and you just want to check in on them, this is the next best thing to a baby monitor. You can instantly drop in on other rooms in your home if you have the device, another device set up in there, or make an announcement to every room. It is so cool, and it has thousands and thousands of great skills that it can do as well. So it will just keep on talking, like you've noticed that it will continue to talk and let you know about the new skills that it has on, even tracking your fitness and playing games and so much more. And to connect everything, I went ahead, like I said, started with the light bulbs, which is the first thing here. I'll get it all set up to our security system as well. But the Nooie Smart LED bulb is, again, you have to have Wi-Fi. It's so cool because it is controlled by your remote control or voice control. It's pretty interesting. All you have to do is set up the app, and you can set a schedule for any type of mode that you want, to turn the lights on, dim the lights. If you're away from home and you want the lights on at a certain time, especially since it's daylight saving, this would be so amazing. Listen, if you have a certain mood you want to set in your home, you can actually change the color of the light. You can change it for being cozy, or for a birthday party. Set a certain color that you want. It's great, especially at home, and even for business environment. Let's say you have a club and you want to change the colors of the lights to a certain color at a certain time. It is so great. This is so cool. But I am working on, again, getting this smart home thing set up. And listen, y'all, hey, I'll let y'all know when I get it together. I don't know if it's going to be the next week or next month, or how long it's going to take, but hopefully with the help of Maddie, we can get everything working good. Now, this Nooie Smart Light LED bulbs are compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and there is no hub required, period. So that is what's so cool about it. But listen, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. I just wanted to share this tidbit with y'all and let y'all know exactly what I'm working on. Trying to get my home smart. That's right. Get it smart like me, girl. Anyway, y'all, that's it. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have considered doing a smart home kind of setup, or if you currently do. Drop me off some tips. And also, if you made it to this portion of this video, I want you to put in the comments section, I want an Alexa. And I'll put that across the screen, because I am giving away one of these beautiful babes for my, just a Christmas giveaway. I'm giving away an Echo Dot. Yes, I am. So just put in the comment section, I want an Alexa, and you might be a winner. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share your girl with your world. Happy holidays. Bye.